in the vast stretch of land known as Obubra, tucked deep in the green heart of Cross River State, Nigeria. More than 50 villages live under the weight of a single painful reality. They all depend on just one bank for thousands of people. People wake up early, some before the sun rises, just to line up in front of the bank. They walk long distances from faraway villages just to get a little of their own money. Sometimes they wait all day. Sometimes the network is down. Sometimes the bank runs out of cash. And sometimes they go home with nothing. But they come back again because they have no choice. This is the only bank, and they are strong people. They farm, they trade, they teach their children, they raise families with dignity. But they are tired. Tired of waiting, tired of walking, tired of not being heard. The leaders do not help. They pass by in big cars. They say nothing. They do nothing. People cry out, but no one answers. And no new banks are built. No one invests in their future. No one hears their pain. Yet the people keep going. They're not lazy. They're not weak. They're simply ignored. Still, they do not give up. They help one another. They share. They smile, even when it's hard, because that's who they are. They are the soul of Obubra, the true strength of Africa, unseen but unshaken. The system may fail them, but they hold on to hope. One day, they believe things will change, not because they are angry, but because they know they deserve better. They believe in a future where every village has a bank, where people don't walk hours to get what is already theirs. They believe in fairness. They believe in dignity. One bank is not enough, but even in hardship, they carry on. And to the world, they say, we are still standing. We are still strong. We are the people of Obubra.
Thank you for watching. Kindly like, comment, and share. We are Obubra.com. We tell our stories with pride.